Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new to my channel, I am Precious from Precious Blooms, Jamaica. Today I will be taking you shopping with me at Evergo Garden Center in Kingston. A lot of you guys have been asking where I get my fertilizer and garden stuff to buy. Well, hey, this is the place because Evergo has everything under one roof. But before I actually get into the video, please, for those of you who have not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click on the subscribe button below and also hit the notification bell so that you will always know when I upload a new video. So, let's go shopping! Welcome back guys. I'm actually inside the nursery at Evergo Garden Center and I'm right where there are some dendrobium seedlings. They're quite healthy and they have different varieties. Let me show you this one close up. Woonleng, quite a healthy seedling. Look at all these roots. And these are great for beginners. I'm going to take you to another section where they have some vandas and Renanthera. Renanthera calcium red. Guys, these are seedlings, but with the proper care, you can have them blooming in no time. And these are mocaras, bare root mocaras that they have here. And some more bare root mocara. Mocara GT yellow white nutrate. These are oncidiums. I think I'm going to pick up a few today. Miltassia shelob. And this is Oncidium gyracat gumpagon. These are cattleyas. Quite a variety here. And here we have some dendrobium. Different varieties, different blooms, I should say. And here are some blooming ones right here. I'm now at the fertilizer section, and there's quite a variety of fertilizers here that you can buy for your plants, your orchids. Sure Bloom Plus plant blooming stimulant. I tell you, they have everything under one roof. This is a great place to shop. I've been shopping here for like about 20 years. And I keep coming back because this is the place where I get all my garden items from a garden. They have everything under one roof. Great place to shop. Nursery pots in various sizes. Prices are great. All different shapes. Cocoa liner for your basket. And here are some orchid supplies. We have cocoa chip, and not just for orchids, guys. They're basically items that you can use to pot your plants. This is peat moss, cocoa fiber cut, cocoa peat, and here we have some sponge rocks. You can use the sponge rocks to pot your dendrobium. I think I'm going to pick up one of these. The stakes, these are what I use to mount my Vanda turrets, and sometimes even my dendrobium orchids when they get tall. So they have them in different lengths. And these are the bamboo stakes. This is my favorite section, guys. This is where they have the terracotta pots. Same thing that I call the clay pots, you know, old school. I prefer to say clay pots. Terracotta, clay pots, they're actually the same, all right? And they have them in various sizes. All along the shelf. Here we have some seed and cutting soil. This soil, this is for cactus and succulents actually. Lambert's potting soil for cactus and succulents. This one is for seed and cuttings. Quite a variety. So you can come in and choose the one that best suit your need. Fire dust as well. we've come to the end of the video. Thank you for coming shopping with me. I hope you enjoyed it. And before you go, please remember to subscribe to my channel and also follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Precious Blooms JA. Bye!